Hi, I'm Andrew Jason. I'm the Ecosystems Director for Grand Farm. Cultivate is our annual conference that's really meant to connect the ag tech industry with growers. One of the things that we always hear is that there's a disconnect between the growers and what the ag tech industry is producing. So we want to create that conversation.
We have partners that are large organizations, small organizations, startup organizations, universities, and then also the grower. And we designed the conference to bring them together and talk about innovation and how they can be applied to solve ag tech challenges. There's really two things that we want people to walk away. The first one is connections. We want to create a network to solve these challenges. And the second one is exposure. We want to be able to provide exposure to some of the great technology and how they can be applied into agriculture in order to solve challenges.
Really what sets our region apart when it comes to ag tech is the long-standing history, right? You go back 120 years, we got the Bonanza farms, 100,000 acre farm. It's really kind of building off the backbones of the giants that came before us and capitalizing on that long-standing ecosystem of innovation.
It is important for our region to host events like this in order to bring the traveler and mix them up with the local. So there's great companies from all over the country, and what we want to do is bring them into our ecosystem so that they can learn from each other and develop ways in which that network can grow. Our desire is for technology to solve problems, especially within agriculture, and we view this as a team sport. And so we want to have as many people involved as possible, and these conferences are designed in order to build that network. My challenge for the community is identify the problems, the pain points, and use those pain points to meet other folks in order to identify ways in which there can be collaboration in order to solve that. Feedback is the most important thing that we have within the Grand Farm. Our ability to identify and source those pain points and then work with our network to solve those is what we do and what we get excited about.
If you're interested in learning about agriculture and technology and how they convene, and ultimately how we can strengthen the relationship between the ag tech industry and growers, Cultivate is the perfect fit for you, and we'd love to get you involved. It's where technology and agriculture collide.